Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. We guys sibuya nge-Andile Mpesane nomkakhe uThamiya Mpesane. Yazini bathi ugirl village wayishaya silence with no explanation when she changed her surname from Mpesane to her real surname, which is Low, on Instagram, and people were like, and then what happened? There's trouble in paradise or Oganjan, but she didn't address anything. Some people are saying that she has the right to change the surname to her original surname. Again, really, she has a father's surname. One, because the Mpesanes are going through a lot of things now, trouble in the financing area. And if we can remember very well, umshado ka-Andile noThamiya in 2021 December was a surprise traditional wedding. uSibandle said yena herself ngowakhe mlomo she didn't know anything about that wedding. She came from the gym and then boom 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 boom, your brother is getting married, and then they had their daughter in 2022 and they were still together even namanje. So namanje we're still not sure if they're not together or they're together or kanjani, but girl changed her surname to Low back, and from the looks of things she hasn't been posting things and tagging she has been posting but not tagging Andile like she usually was. And remember, the Mpesane surname used to carry a lot of weight. If you go around, but what is your name? I'm Thamiya Mpesane, manje nyalo, she's like, oh, the only thing the surname's carrying now is trouble and trouble and trouble everywhere you go. A lot of things are involved in this surname. Mhlambe, it's her way of healing, just like, I'm not saying that they are getting a divorce or they're no longer together, but she's deciding to distance herself from everything that is going on Gulia surname. And she's like, you know what, I'm gonna take my surname. And people are saying that very most it was an arranged mshado from the beginning, yabon. And mhlambe ifamily girl was benefiting financially kulo mshado. We don't know. Allegedly thinking, baby, yabon, they are benefiting something, but now they're no longer, because imali iyaxeka lapha ekhaya. What they have to pay this and that, and they have my issues that dates back years that they have to pay for. So what if girl decided to say, you know what, family yakhe mhlambe it's better I go back home, because vele bengitela imali la ekhaya and the money is no longer the same. The money that I used to have is no longer the same. So what if the situation ka-Andile nonkosikazi wakhe is full of what if? What if it's this and that and that? And the reason why it's what if is because girl hasn't said anything. She hasn't said anything to anybody, answered any questions, or keep a statement or anything. She just was like, I'm going to go back to my surname, which is Low, and people will speculate and think and thought and understand and assume and conclude and have my theories and all that on their own, not with me. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi what is the reason? Why did she change her surname from Mpesane to Low? She was benefiting from the surname while they were making money, but now it's a problem.